Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fry plantain using an air fryer. I love this method because I get to use little to no oil, which is a healthy and a better alternative to deep frying, and it comes out perfect. So let's get started. Fried plantains can be combined with fried egg, beans, jollof rice, fried stew, and the list goes on. I'll be eating my fried plantain with fried mackerel stew. Please come and join me. It's so delicious. If you're subscribed to this channel, please turn on your notification bell to ensure you get notified whenever a new video is uploaded on this channel. And if you have not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.